Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you? Hello. Yeah, please help me to click like and share this video first, okay? Okay, so today's sharing, okay, will be the same as well. We will go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM, KLCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review, okay, and your intention, okay, whether you're looking for entry price or you already entered, you're looking for next resistance or the next support. Okay, so before that, okay, disclaimer, okay, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, disclaimer, not a buy or sell recommendation, education purposes only. Okay, so let's go for the US market first, okay, a quick one. Okay, so far we can see, Monday, Tuesday, US market is still very bullish. Okay, ever since they break above this level, 32.5K, and also is a 200 MAs. So far still bullish lah. Okay, yesterday hit 33.333K. Okay, 33.333 and got a little bit rejection, but overall based on daily point of view, the closing is still not that bad. Okay, market is still bullish. So for the next level, they need to break and close above 33.2K and then 33.8K, 34K. But if tonight no good, go below 32.5K, then need to be careful lah. Okay, market may have another sell down. Okay, I think market also pending for the election and also for the Thursday data. Okay, which is the CPI. So I think the big movement, okay, big movement is Thursday tomorrow. Okay, market maybe just go sideways first until tomorrow will have a real movement okay, for US market. And how about the S&P? Okay, S&P yesterday hit 3850 but got a little bit rejection. Okay, if compared with Dow Jones, S&P is weaker. Okay, Nasdaq as well. Okay, they hit 11.2K and get rejected. Closing daily lah. Okay, their daily closing not so strong lah in my opinion. So we see whether 11K can get supported or not. And for the oil, although I'm bullish with them, but okay, unable to go through $93. Okay, so Monday hit, unable to go through, and yesterday rejection. Today continue sell down. So oil seems like might just go sideways first lah. Okay, until maybe they might go back to retest 86 or 84. So oil more to sideways, slightly bullish, slightly bearish. And for the gold, okay, finally breakout 1680, breakout 1700. Okay, so seems like they do have a potential to hit 1730. Okay, so far gold I think still have potential to go up lah. And for the dollar, okay, dollar ever since they break below the uptrend channel support, okay, they break down. Overall I think the overall sentiment is still weak. So their last defense okay, 109.3. Okay, 109.3. If this level unable to hold, I think they may go to 108 or even lower. Okay, and next, how about Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin, although I'm bullish with them, but they already break down below 20K, break down below 18.8K. Okay, so far the price action is still pretty bearish. Unless by tonight, okay, they can recover back above 18.8K. Otherwise, we are seeing 17K or even lower. Same as Ethereum. They are unable to go through the 200 MAs and get rejected yesterday. Okay, break below 1005, break below 1004. And currently, the price break below 1003. Okay, if by end of day we're still unable to recover back above 1003, we are seeing more downside on Ethereum now. Okay, they might go to 1000. Okay, so far crypto market back to the bear okay, due to some news. Okay, the FTT FTX news. Okay, and the last one, okay, is the FBM KLCI. Okay, so far we can see today the price action, they try to recover, okay, they try to break above 50 MA and also break above 1444. Okay, today closing is 1446. So as long as KLCI stay above 1444, I think they do have a potential to go up further. Okay, seems like these few days they got try hard to push up lah. Okay, follow with the US market sentiment Monday, Tuesday, not too bad. So as long as tonight the closing is still not bad lah. I think KLCI do have chance to fill the gap. Okay, probably 1450, 1454. Okay, so far KLCI I think still okay lah, still okay. Okay, next come let's go for the stocks Q&A. First one, ASB. Yeah, as ASB, as I said, most likely they just like to do a pump and dump. As Monday I do mention before, okay, they always you see like last year they also pump and dump, okay. So usually these counters not really can hold too long lah. Okay, what we can see on Monday, Tuesday, okay, Monday they do have pump out with volume. Tuesday continue pump out. Okay, they break out the 200 MAs. But today profit taking. Okay, volume slightly okay. I think got 50% of yesterday volumes lah. So a little bit profit taking lah when they push all the way up. Let me see on the smaller time frame, probably 30 minutes. Okay, most volume transacted over this zone. So I assume 110 is their support lah. Okay, they break out 330, and then most volume, okay, also transacted 135, 130. Okay, go back to retest 110. So tomorrow maybe you need to monitor these two level lah. 105, 110. If they can hold, okay, maybe still got a chance to push out, but if they break down, most likely, okay, they may go back to 0.09 or even lower. And the characteristic, okay, of these counters usually is a pump and dump lah, okay. So we have a lot data show that okay, these counters usually they won't go up too much lah, okay. So yeah, be careful lah. As long as above 105, maybe still got a chance. But if go below 105, most likely go back to 0.09 or even lower. Okay, how about Gentech? Gentech neutral. Let me see. Gentech. Okay, this one MACD crossover. Recently the price built up. Okay. Although the price do build up, the volume is extremely low. Okay, not so convinced lah. Okay, not so convinced. So maybe we can use a 20 MA as our last defense, which is around 208. Okay, if they can stay above 208, okay, maybe still got a chance to bounce up a little bit more lah. If they can bounce up, they are resistant 220. Okay, break below 208, then we may see the price go back to 2 ringgit. Okay, so far, in my opinion, this counter is more to neutral, might go sideways first lah. And recently, not much volume pump in lah, so most likely nothing much at the moment, may go sideways first. How about Coaster EP215? Coaster EP215 today closing neutral. But yesterday, if you see on yesterday counters, a little bit rejection. Okay, so if we base on the extreme level of yesterday, okay, yesterday high, about 229, okay, is your resistance. But so far, I think, let me see, momentum is still all right. But coastal also subject to the oil sentiment also, right? So oil sentiment at the moment is more to sideways lah. Okay, if we base on the structure, short term slightly bearish. Okay, yesterday got some rejection. Today they do retest 215 and rebound up. So I think as long as above your 215, okay, still okay. Just that they have been rally out for some times already since if we base on the low July until now. Let me see. They've been rally up about 40% lah. Okay, so may have some correction soon lah. So maybe here is for you to do some short-term trade only. Okay, and I think the better place would be about 2 ringgit lah. Okay, how about okay your R1, R2? Okay, your R would be 229 already lah. Okay, 225, 229, and your support 215, 208. Okay, top glove. Okay, top glove yesterday break up. Okay, they break up the 830. Okay, if we look back here, was a resistant. Resistant. Okay, yesterday break up 830. Okay, but today they get resisted by 100 MAs and the closing neutral. Okay, volume same as yesterday. Okay, if we zoom in and see today and yesterday volumes are almost the same. Okay, also indicate that this is a potential profit taking over here lah. Okay, for this case, tomorrow monitor 830. Okay, the price cannot close below 830. If close below 830, most likely they may have another retrace. Okay, may go back to maybe 80 cents or even lower. But if the price can stay above 830, okay, we may see a potential bounce up, okay, to maybe 880 and 90 cents. Okay, momentum wise is still all right lah. So far, I think the rebound is still okay. May have some sell down and then continue goes up lah. Okay, so far I think as long as above 830, the short term momentum is still strong. Okay, how about AGMO? More. Okay, this one more to neutral lah. Okay, let me see Okay, since first day IPO they spike out and then wash down. Okay, at the moment I didn't see any. The volumes are okay only not too high lah. Okay, so probably we can draw a support zone 660 resistance 750. Okay, I think most likely they might just go sideways lah. Okay, and if we zoom in, not much volume lately. Okay, most likely sideways, and yeah, we don't know how long they will sideways lah. Okay, and how about TP for RL? RL Okay, RL today got breakout above 365 with volume. Okay, volume considered not too bad lah if we compare it with the past few days. Okay, and they break out 365. So we can use a 365 as our immediate support. So if the price can continue goes up, okay, we use 390 as our immediate resistance. Okay, 390 and also 200 MAs, which is your next level 405. Okay, 390, 405. R1, R2 lah. And how about E metal? Okay, E metal not so good shape. Okay, what we can see on Monday. Wait, before Monday is a Wednesday, Friday, right? Friday spike out with high volume, but Monday a strong sell down with higher volumes. Okay, if we compare with Monday volumes, and then yesterday neutral, today continue sell down with high volume as well. So in my opinion, slightly weak lah. Okay, they might go back to retest 6 to 5 there lah. Okay, this level. So, but the trend is still okay. Okay, the trend is still uptrend. Oh, this got a little bit divergence. Okay, be careful sikit lah. The price go up, but MACD is weak. Okay, so be careful this one. So if they break below 625, they may go to 50 cents era lah. Okay, maybe 530, 525 there. Okay, so this one, yeah, need to be careful sikit lah. Okay, Gamsia EP325. Okay, let me see GAM, sorry, GSM, Malaysia. Yes, Malaysia. Okay, 328. Okay, should I continue to hold or let a bit profit? How about upside more or the trend gets weakened? Okay, let me see. Okay, if your EP is 328, okay, current price is 329 lah. So meaning that you didn't lose money also lah. So just break even if you exit now. Okay, but if we base on the trend point of view, actually got a little bit weakening. Okay, but the big trend is still uptrend. Okay, the big trend is still okay. But what we can see here, the price keep goes up, but the MACD is sideways. Okay, recently the price is more to stagnant in my opinion. It's more to maybe they might just go sideways. Okay, so let me zoom in and see if based on the short term point of view. Okay, long term discounters. Okay, if we based on the 1 year time frame and see, okay, the up the trend is still uptrend. Okay, it's still strong. But if we based on 20 MA, 50 MA means that short term maybe 3 months or 1 month time frame, the trend is slightly weakening. Okay, as the price already below 20 and 50 MA. Okay, and 20 cross below 50. Okay, slightly weak. Okay, so yeah, in my opinion, slightly weak lah. Okay, for the short term, but if for long term, I think it's still all right. Just that your entry slightly higher lah. Okay. So what I see on recent performance is they might go back to retest 325 and 322 zone. Okay, they might retest this zone. Okay, if breakdown, then not so good lah. Okay, they might go to 310 or even lower. Okay, if they can get supported, okay, maybe still got chance to make a comeback. Okay, so yeah, depends on your intention. If you are holding for long term, but of course your entry is slightly higher now. Okay, but if short term wise, or maybe you can use 100 MA as a guidance. Okay, guideline 322 or 320 as your last defense. Okay, review coaster. Coaster cover already. If later got time, I cover lah. Okay, Textrum. I think Monday cover already, right? Okay, lucky thing. Okay, Monday I do review and say that actually Textrum not so strong now. Okay, because they already break 200 MAs. Okay, the last defense is this level. Okay, the line is still here, which is 236. Okay, so far what we can see what happened on Tuesday. Okay, I think Monday when I review I say actually not so good already lah. Okay, Monday breakdown. Okay, they do have a sell down to 225 and rebounded up. Okay, which is on Tuesday. Today closing slightly bullish, but the only thing is the bounce out with low volume lah. Okay, the volume not so strong lah. Okay, what we can see on Tuesday is their extreme level is about 225 lah. Okay, but overall, in my opinion, I'm not so confident with them lah. So what I see is maybe they just rebound, okay, to retest maybe 255 or maximum to 27 something and continue sell down. Okay, this is possible. But for them to make a comeback, I think need some time, okay, more solid candle or more solid data to show us that the momentum is strong. Okay, so far I see the MACD all is very weak. Okay, the most is just a rebound lah. So if they can go up, or if you're looking for EP, okay, you can either cut loss below 23235 or cut loss below 22222. Okay, or 225 also can lah. Okay, 225. Let me see 225 lah. Okay, either your cut loss below here or below here, but the chances lah, okay, the success rate, I'm not confident lah. Okay, I'm not confident. So if they can bounce off, you watch out on your immediate resistance 255 and then 275. Okay, the risk reward ratio I think is still all right. Okay, just that the success rate not so confident with them lah. Okay, how about GDEX? Okay, this today got pumped out with volume. Okay, is it they are ready for the double 11? Okay, let me see. Okay, these counters is in a long-term downtrend now. Okay, since last year May downtrend until today. So far, every rebound is a sell down. Okay, recently they do spike out with volume lah. Okay, end of October. Okay, what we can see 20, 21st, 25th, the trading activities improve lah. Okay, and especially these 2 days pump out with volume. Okay, today also pump out with volume. Okay, this is a penny stocks so come with a higher risk. Okay, high although it's a high reward lah. Your risk is also equally high. Okay, what we can see recently, they just sideways here, and today breakout 125, closing 130. So if based on technical point of view, yeah, they do have a chance to bounce up. Okay, probably we can use a 100 MA first, which is 145, and also yeah, we can use this level 165. Okay, 145, 165. No game if they go below 125. Okay, or the closing below 120. No game if they go below. Most likely they might continue sideways. How about Mobilia? Ini pun ini pun ini pun itu penny stocks Okay, you like penny Penny stocks the risk is higher lah. Okay, so momentum is still alright. Okay, the trend if we base on end of December last year until now, they are into sideways only. Okay, what we can see, they're just trading within this range. Okay, for them to make a comeback, okay, they need to break out above 210 with volume. So if they are able to break out above 210 with volume, this could be a sideways squeeze breakout, and market may have some rally up lah. Okay, otherwise this counter may continue sideways. Okay, we don't know how long they would. Okay, as you can see, they since last year December sideways until now already, they could sideways for another few months. Okay, if speaking of about the volumes, okay lah, average only lah. Okay, not so much. So I think this counter may continue sideways until a breakout lah, pending for a breakout only. Okay, probably you can set the alerts Okay, maybe alerts to 10. Okay, when the price trigger you, you only KIV. How about the review back PZ Bumi? Bumi. Okay, PZ Bumi ini the trend is still uptrend but they already hit this resistance, okay, which is 2021 August resistance, right? So in my opinion, okay, the trend is still okay, just that they already hit resistance, and previously, okay, they just did a pump and dump. So this is why I worried lah. Okay, they just pump out and may dump down. And even if we jump in now, okay, your reward is not so worth for the risk Okay, so it's like your reward could be just 580 or maybe 625 like that only. Okay, maybe you can use a 20 MA as your last defense, 545. If they close below, most likely 50 cents or 465 already. How about the GOB? Hey, GOB yesterday attempt to break down 30 cents Okay, they attempt to break down below 295 But lucky thing today safe back market open gap up and close slightly higher. Okay, volume wise, today volume lucky thing slightly higher than yesterday volumes lah. So I think this one is still safe. Okay, so maybe we pull down the buffer lah until 290. Okay, as long as they stay above 290, I think GOB is still alright. Okay, if close below, no game lah. How about Hong Seng Hold on Hong Seng. Oh, macam curi-curi mai ini. Okay, let me see any. Okay, these counters. Okay, let me delete the lines Okay, downtrend since this year May, okay, when they break below 200 MAs. Okay, they break below 200 MAs and continue sell down lah. So until recently, they do have some volume pump ins. Okay, since when? 18th of October. So about near 1 month already lah. So if we draw the lines, okay, what we can see, this is a breakdown on beginning of October. After that, also volume. So I think most volume traded over here lah. Okay, 20 cents to 280. Okay, and recently what we can see, okay, pump out volume, pump out volume. Okay, at least this gives us some confidence that okay, they do have a buyer, okay, interested to buy at this zone. Okay, for this case, they are pending for a breakout lah. Okay, although recently they break out 20 MA, which is a small sign of short-term bullishness. Okay, so which is they already break above 225. So as long as above 225, short-term momentum is still there. And they for a bigger breakout is 280. Once they can clear off, I think do have chance to rally up to maybe 370 or even higher. Okay, MACD point of view, I think it's still healthy, so the chances is still there lah. Okay, since got volume support us, I think the chances is still there, but history may repeat lah. Okay, maybe just bounce out few days and continue sell down. So when they goes out, you need to trial. Okay, you need to know where to get out lah. Okay, when something not right, just exit first. Okay, how about the my EG? Okay, my EG after they got keep rejected lah by 885 and also the 200 MAs. Today gonna press down to 840 and rebounded. Okay, volume wise, okay, not so convinced. Okay, volume wise is still very low. So if speaking about the support resistance, I would say 850 is your immediate support and 89 maybe I put here lah. Okay, lower 880 is your resistance. Okay, if they break below 850, your next resistance 820. At the moment, I think still not really a good levels for us to do anything yet lah. Okay, unless you're already in, you're looking for resistance 880, 90 cents. Okay, let's go for the 90 cents. How about the T Guan? Iguan recently got a sell down, right? So far they supported very well lah. Okay, at 245. Okay, so far they don't want to break below 245 lah. I think it's still okay. So your EP 245, I think it's still safe lah. Okay, if 245 fail to hold, your next support would be 242 and 242, 235. Okay, 242, 235. And for your resistance, okay, they need to break out 250 first. 250, then yeah, maybe a gap already lah. Okay, if speaking about 2050 MA is about 258, and if we're speaking about the gap, 261, 267. Okay, 261, 267. How about the Gamuda? Gamuda is still weak. Okay. Yeah, although they try to support by the 365 lah. Okay, if you are interested, you can try 365 with your cut loss below 360. Okay, but if this level unable to hold, most likely they might go to 350. So in my opinion, a better place would be at least minimum wait around 350 lah. Okay, the selling pressure I see is still there lah. Okay, and for the resistance, resistance maybe we use this level 370. Okay, 370 is your immediate resistance. Okay, 370, 376. And top glove EP, top glove now I think just now review already, but I think not so suitable to do any EP yet. But if you are looking for just short term trade okay, 825, 830 is your immediate support. Okay, 825, 830 is your immediate support. If they break down, then you chabut first okay, wait lower. Probably around let me see, probably around 765 there lah. Okay, good evening, Sita Global. Wow, okay, Sita Global, okay. They've been struggle at 305 for a few days already lah. Okay, since last Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay, unable to break up. So today market open, gap down and close low. Volume slightly higher lah. So for these counters, watch out 250. Okay, if the next few days, okay, the price can get supported by 250, maybe you still got some chance lah. But if they break below, no game already. The pump and dump finish already. They might go back to uh maybe 20 cents level. Okay, how about Evergreen? Evergreen. Evergreen neutral. Okay, let me see. Momentum, I think, is still all right. Okay, recently they do bounce out and try to stay above 20 MA lah. So I think temporarily safe. So immediate support 380. Okay, if you are interested, cut loss below 370. Cut loss if the price go below 370. Okay, no game already. If go below 370, they might go to 350. And yeah, they need to break out 390 and 40 cents. Okay, once they can clear off 40 cents, I think would have another push up to maybe 415, 420 there. Okay, but this one the trend is still downtrend. So what we see is just a potential rebound. Okay, let's go for the B Auto. Okay, B Auto, the trend is still uptrend. Okay, the trend is still uptrend. If you're looking for EP, 1, 2 EP is definitely not now lah. Okay, because today closing is about 195 lah, and their resistance is 2 ringgit. So for this case, if we base on their previous pattern, okay, once a while they will go back to retest the 200 MAs, but this will take some time. So yeah, even though 200 MA also got chance to hit the 100 MAs. So by the time I expect for these counters, okay, should be okay. The best place for me is 175 lah, but I don't know whether the price will go visit this level or not. Okay, a second place for me is a 180. Okay, around 180. So at the moment, the price not in a good discount lah. Okay, and your reward is limited. Okay, maybe 2 ringgit plus like that only. So wait for the price to press down minimum maybe 188 over lah. Okay, you can start to KIV already. If 188 break, you can see at 180. Okay, how about revenue? Revenue not good break down again Let me see. Momentum not good. Okay, the lines are no use already. Sorry. Let me delete the drawings. Okay, can already. So this revenue is always in downtrend since last year October. Okay, they break below the 200 MAs and continue sell down. Okay, tested again, continue sell down. So what we can see on recent performance, okay, even though they do have a sideway, okay, the sell down has slowed down okay, since May until October, okay, sideway. So recently they break down 910 and also break down 90 cents. Okay, today sell down with volume. So I think overall performance not so good looking. Okay, next checkpoint. Okay, we wait around 750. Okay, since the selling pressure is still so strong Okay, so for this case, we wait around 750, 70 cents. Okay, around this zone, which is the extreme level back in 2020 March. March. So I think the next stronger support would be about this zone. Okay, wait around here. So the overall performance is still very weak. Okay, how about FP Group? Long time no see already. Yeah, FP Group also very bad shape Okay. Let me delete all the line first. Okay. August they do have attempt to make a comeback, but the most they rally until 630 like that and start to sell down. So recently already break below all moving averages and especially below 200 MAs. So discounters their immediate support 460 but I think got chance to break down okay. So if they break down, watch out 40 cents already lah. Okay, I think they might potentially visit 40 cents zone. Okay, if they break below 460. Okay, very weak lah overall. How about Chin Hin? Hin is still uptrend, okay, although got some divergence, but they yet to do any breakdown, no signal yet. So the trend, okay, continue, okay, is still bullish looking. So important level 268, 274. Okay, they are immediate support. How about Anju? Anju nothing much also Okay, Anju they do bounce out on 27th of October, but follow with a sell down. So now back to the support lah, which is 940. Okay, 940. If this level still unable to hold, they may go back to retest 895, 885. Okay, for me, these counters is still weak lah. Okay, we see 940 lah. If cannot hold most likely the bear will continue in control lah. Okay, Anju SDS SDS hit 70 cents already, so I believe they might have another correction lah. So your resistance 70 cents, your support 620. Okay, at the moment you can see since end of October until now, the price going nowhere. Okay, just go sideways only. Okay, but it is in the middle of support and resistance so it's better wait lower lah. Okay, now it's at the no man land. How about Saipak? Oh, Saipak open gap down no good also and also high volume. Wow, nowadays the counters are very difficult Okay, so Saipak not a good shape lah. Before today they still okay one, but okay after today they open gap down not so good. Okay, they might go back to retest 315 level. Okay, so yeah, wait already lah. Okay, not so good. How about the Naga? Okay, the Naga hit 200 MAs and back to the 20 MAs. Okay, so far what we can see here, the Naga, mostly they unable to go through 200 MAs one. Okay, even yes, also stay above 200 MA for a few days only. Right? So if we zoom in and see recent performance, okay, they keep struggle at 200 MAs and kena sell down. Now hit 200 MAs. So seems like not so strong lah. Okay, not so strong. But their immediate support is about here lah. Okay, 825 like that. If this level, but the better level in my opinion is around 8 ringgit lah. Okay, for Tenaga. So PMB. Sideway nothing much, but let me see. Need to be careful sikit juga. Okay, let me delete all the lines. Okay, what we can see here. 435. 438. Okay, 438 and this level. Okay, so what we can see, resistant, right? So the market retest resistance. Now struggle at resistance. So I don't think it's a good idea to get in at this zone okay, which is a potential for people to take profit. Okay, people might want to sell you the tickets. So for this case, I think it's better wait lower lah. Okay, minimum we see around 350. Okay, we see any chance when the price comes to 350. Otherwise, okay, if we enter now, okay, about 405 lah. Okay, your maximum reward, okay, would be maybe 422, 438 maximum. Okay, at the moment lah. And what I see on the MACD is still slightly weak lah. Okay, so maybe you got chance to get at the lower price. Good evening. Okay, review PCCS. ECCS no good ah. Okay, let me see what I can see. Okay, what happened with BCCS? Okay, they do have a good rally, right? Back in July, August, September. Okay, beginning of September, and then they struggle at this June. Okay, and you can see the high is getting slightly lower, right? And they break down this zone. Okay, so this could be a potential distribution zone. Okay, which is the people they try to sell their counters. Okay, they try to sell their tickets at the higher price and then after the mission done already, they dump down. So recently they retest the 200 MA and rebound up. Okay, today get resisted lah. So support turn resistant. Okay, well we can see support breakdown turn resistant. So in my opinion, this one still weak lah. Okay, for me just recent spike out is just a rebound only. Okay, not so convinced me to do any EP for these counters. Okay, how about the JSB? JSB break up 6 to 5, okay, which was a resistant, okay, major resistant back in June last year, November last year. Okay, finally they break up. And these counters actually, I always mention that need to be careful lah because looks like a high risk counters. They anytime may have a big dump lah, but so far yet to happen. Okay, so 625 now turn into support. Okay, as long as they stay above 625, they still got chance to go up higher lah. But if they break below 625, most likely may go back to retest 560. Okay, let me see any real. Okay, they are in at the all-time high already lah. Okay, if we base on the Fibonacci to project the next resistance wow, a little bit high rate. 820 if we use this level 740, okay, more realistic lah. Okay, if the trend is still there, okay, their next resistance would be 740. Okay, as long as they don't close below 6254. Okay, but this one for me, I'm not so comfortable with them lah. Okay, because they could just pump out all the way and then dump down. Okay, how about the Tanko? OEP 385. No good lah. This one Tanko 385 today 365. Okay, what happened if you base on this chart? Okay, if we base on this chart, we can see April. Okay, April they just done a pump and dump. Okay, how much they have pushed out? Okay, if we assume they push out from 20 cents. Okay, from 20 cents to 58 or 60 cents. Okay, they already pump out around 200%. Okay, after the dump is quite immediate lah. Okay, then they sideway recently got the next pump. Okay, usually the pump and dump just happen the next pump won't be so unlikely lah. Okay, to go back to previous high. Okay, usually it's this like that one. Okay, people who buy over here they get stuck already so they try to average down. Okay, do another pump to escape. Okay, probably lah. Okay, this is a case. So by Monday, okay, Monday they still looks good, but Tuesday onwards, they already break below 40 cents. Okay, with high volume. So in my opinion, not so good already lah. Okay, if you still want to fight on 350 is your last defense. Okay, if they break below 350, most likely they will go back to 30 cents level and continue sideways. Okay, how about the power roof? PWROT. Okay, power roof. Okay, this one, 2, 3, your entry. Chase high. Okay, so far this one is still alright. The trend is still strong, and they recently just break out to 17. So in my opinion, 217 was a resistance, now turned into a support. As long as the price stay above 217, all right. Just that, okay, your EP slightly higher. Okay, if the trend can continue, okay, watch out 250 lah. Okay, 250 is a resistance June 2020. Okay, and do take note that, okay, recent rally, okay, we assume from the March until now, they already rally up about 77% lah. Okay, so if happens to rally up to 250, it's about 90% plus already lah. Okay, so watch out lah. Okay, as long as above 217, I think it's still all right. Comment on Inari and me. Inari, okay, still neutral. Cross up above 20 MA. Okay, short term wise, as long as they above 240, I think the bounce is still valid. Okay, but I don't know how far they can go lah. Okay, probably just go to retest 255, maximum 263 like that only. Short term bounce, I see still got possible. Okay, but the big trend they are still below 200 MAs lah. How about me? Okay, downtrend downtrend since when? Since last year April, downtrend Okay, let me see Okay, even though they do have volumes back in September, but the selling continue Okay, what happened on recent performance end of October until now? They do attempt to break out 120 but they always get rejected. Okay, when they hit 120. Seems like okay, they still not so strong lah. Okay. Okay, for short term point of view, maybe we can use 20 MA as our guideline, 113. As long as above 113, maybe still alright. Okay, because today and yesterday closing I think slightly weak. Okay, they might retest 113 level. Okay, if compare both, I think Inari is slightly stronger lah. Okay, how about the FM? FM sideway. Okay, let me delete all the drawings first. Okay, downtrend since they break down below 200 MA back in February, and then they go into sideway lah. Okay, so recently they do have volumes pump in, MACD neutral, nothing much. Okay, let's go for the support and resistance. Okay, if we based on recent performance, August until now, they do have a trading activities back in August, September, and then market sideways over here. Okay, trading within 5152 to 585. Okay, for this case, if you uh, got two method lah. Okay, one is we pending for the breakout. Okay, once the market breakout 585 with volumes, we are seeing potential rally lah. Okay, otherwise buy support, sell resistant, buy support, sell resistant. Okay, they might just sideways for another few weeks or few months. Okay, so 585 I think is a tough resistant lah. Okay, how about shift? Sideway as well. This one. 1, 2. Okay, the build out is still alright. Okay, recently, last Wednesday got spiked out with volumes, and then following days, boring. Okay, sideway. Okay, so far the price is still attempt to support by 495.50 cents. So I think at least it's a good news. Okay, so far they never sell down. So I think this one is still alright. And yeah, as long as above 50 cents, I think the trend, the rebound is still valid lah. Okay. And the resistance to take note, maybe we use the 540, 560. Okay. If they can bounce up, watch out on this resistance. Okay. If they go down, most likely just go sideways lah. Okay, may go to 465, 450. Okay, I think the structure still not that bad. Okay, still okay. Okay, review Optimax. Optimax, I still not so confident with them yet. Okay, so as we can see, last year rally also maximum until around here lah, 810 and maximum 875880, and then follow with us sell down. So what happened on 3rd of November? Okay, a selling pressure. Okay, a bearish candle with high volumes. Okay, following days we didn't see anything lah. Market just sideways over here. So overall, I think so slightly weak. Okay, and immediate support for 20 MA is about 750. If this level unable to hold, they might go to 715, 695 like that. Okay, I think better level in my opinion still here lah. Okay, 695, 715. Okay, around this zone is a better place. Otherwise, if we enter at now, your maximum reward 780, 815. Okay, not much lah. Evergreen. Okay, Evergreen just now cover already, but let me have a quick view. Okay, your immediate support 380, 370. Resistance 390, 390, 415 lah maximum at the moment. Okay, E-metal also cover already, but a quick one, S1, S2. Okay, E-metal, your resistance 750. Support, I think we see around 625. Okay, 660 is your immediate support lah. Okay, so I think they will likely break below 660 based on today price session. Samaiden. Ini pun, let me see slightly weak Ini pun need to be careful sikit-sikit. Okay, if we zoom out and see this is a resistance back in where? Last year July. Unable to go through once, twice, third time, fourth time. Okay, unable to go through 810. So they might gonna press down to 200 MAs lah. Okay, I think the next better support. Okay, maybe we better wait around here lah. 685, 680. Okay, it's a safer place. Okay, how about the tofu? Okay. Okay, the tofu is still break like a tofu. Okay. So I still haven't seen any sign of rebounding. So we can see on 2nd of November, 3rd of November, they have a high selling pressure. And the following days, I think the selling pressure is still there. Okay, we wait for the pattern, something like that. Okay, at least, okay, 1 day bullish candle with high volumes lah. Okay, we only jump in. Otherwise, we let them, let them wash down lah. Okay, so the next potential rest point, just a rest point. Okay, maybe they will just rest at 150. Okay, not a rebound level. Maybe they just rest few days and then continue sell down, or just rest few days, bounce a little bit, continue sell down. Okay, so the next level is 150. Okay, we see what happened when the price hit this level. If 150 also break non-stop, actually the better level for me is 1 ringgit lah, but still far away. Okay, still far away for us to judge. So if they break below 150, next level 120 already though. Okay, I take in the middle lah, 125. Okay, 150, 125, 1 ringgit. How about the Unisem? Unisem they hit, okay, Unisem they hit 200 MA and kena sell down, but they do supported by 255. Okay, today closing a little bit hammer like candle, but lack of volumes lah. Okay, so same case, 255 your support, your resistance, 278. Okay, maybe I take down a little bit because the 200 MA already come down, 275. Okay, 255 support, 275 resistance. Okay, how about the G-Tronic? Okay, Gtronic is still rebounding. Okay. Yeah, although on Monday, right? On Monday, I say the rebound might limited already lah. Okay. But these few days, okay, Tuesday and today still okay, still rebounding. So if they can continue goes up, watch out on your 50 MA, 100 MA. This one is a minor resistance now, okay, which is about 118, and the major one would be around 120. So I'm seeing they, if the sentiment is still there, they do have a potential to hit 120. Okay, so far I think the volume is still there. Okay, but if you just look for the EP, I think it's too late. Okay, but if you're already in, I think it's still okay. Okay, maybe you can use a 110 as your last defense. As long as they are above 110, the rebound is still valid. Okay, if tomorrow can continue go up, you move your trading stop to 112 and then 114. Okay, microlin EP 60 cents. Okay, let me see. Not yet acid TP 1 ringgit. Okay, this one also the chart lah, okay, looks not so healthy, but okay, they are still very bullish lah. Okay, they are still very bullish. Okay, yesterday a little bit struggle lah. Okay, what we can see discounters yesterday. Someone do attempt to sell down. Okay, let's go for the 30 minutes charts and we see anything, any signal. Okay. Someone attempt to sell at 230. Okay, the someone also buy back lah. Okay, at 3 p.m. Another 330 push up and then sideways. Okay, seems like this level is supported very well. Okay, let's go for the daily chart. Okay, 90 cents 870 is your support. And today nothing much. Okay, neutral. So I still see my resistance at 1 ringgit first lah. Okay, resistance 1 ringgit. But better protect partial lah. Okay, better protect partial. How about CNE green? CNER. Okay, this one not so good shape. Downtrend. Okay, this is a new IPO counters, right? Back in May. Okay, back in May. Okay, they after IPO they do have some sell down and then uptrend, 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 and then retest this low. Now no strength, no strength already. Okay, what we can see, the high is getting lower. Okay, and they break below this level 840, turn into resistance. So overall the performance is weak lah, and the price is below 20 and 50 MA. Okay, it's weak. And yeah, not so good shape lah. Okay, they might go to 750. We see how it's going first. Okay, what I see on the trend is weak. Okay, they might another sell down like that. Okay, this counter, yeah, maybe avoid first lah. We see how it's going. And lack of volume also recently. Okay, so yeah. Someone asked about the, let me see. I saw a question is someone asked about gold, right? Review gold. Okay, the last question already lah is gold. Okay, gold I've been mentioned in my YouTube before. Okay, 1680 is an important level to break up. So yesterday gold already break above 1680. Okay, they straight go into 1700. So now we can use 1700 and 1680 as our support. So I think they do have a potential to hit 1730 minimum. Okay. So if they can break above this level, 1730, we are seeing 1755 and ultimately, okay, 1008. Okay, but we don't know yet lah. We see how it's going. And also this yeah, because today got a break yesterday got a breakout. So we can use, as long as they are above 1680, I'm still bullish with the goal. And yeah, we need to see the next resistance 1730. Okay, see whether they can break out or not. Okay, if they can break out, okay, this will become a potential double bottom breakout. and market would have some rally up, okay, for the gold. Okay, so today's sharing session is until here. So thank you everyone for your time, and thank you Sifu for having me here. So see you guys on next Monday 8:30. Okay, thank you everyone. See you.